Alright, hi everybody. In this video we're going to learn how to animate a sprite using Scratch. It comes with this default sprite, this cat, and you can tell how many costumes it has by going to the costumes beside the code tab and the sounds tab. And the cat has two costumes. If I click the other costume, his legs have changed and his arms have changed. So if I can tell the program to keep switching costumes, the sprite will animate. And if you go down to the sprite menu on the bottom here, it says choose a sprite. Scratch comes with lots and lots of sprites, but not all of them have more than one costume. If you hover your mouse over a sprite, you can see that one is moving, so that one has many costumes. This one doesn't have any. This one has costumes. This one has costumes. This one doesn't have any. So if you want a sprite to animate using the sprites from Scratch, make sure it has more than one costume. Just get it back. So here we go. So to animate the sprite, we have to tell Scratch to change the costumes. So if we go to code, we're going to code this sprite. So I usually in Scratch, we start the program by clicking this green flag, which means go. So that is an event. So we need it when the green flag is clicked. And I'm going to tell the sprite where to go at when the green flag is clicked. So that is in the motions blocks, I'm just going to put this go to 0, X is 0, and Y is 0. That is in the middle of the screen. The screen is like a Cartesian plane where 0, 0 is in the middle. X tells you how far left and right you are, and Y tells you how far up and down you are. But I want it right in the middle of the screen, so it's 0, 0. And now I'm going to tell it to change costumes. And that will be in the looks blocks. So all these blocks will change the look of something. So I'm going to put the next costume. And when the green flag is clicked, the costume changed, but only once. And that's it. The program ran to the end. That's it. So we need a way to tell the sprite to keep changing costumes. So the sprite will continuously be animated. So we need a control block. So all these blocks in the control section can control some aspect of the program. Now you see we have a forever block here. That means everything in this block will run forever, and that's what I want. I want this next costume to be in here forever. So when the green flag is clicked, the sprite will move to the middle of the screen, and then everything in this block will run forever and ever and ever until this red stop icon is pressed to stop the program. So if I click it, there we go. Now you notice it's really, really fast. Maybe I want a way to control how fast the animation is. So again, we'll go into control, and there's a block here, the wait block. So it says wait 1 second. Now you see it's really, really slow. So I want something less than a second, so we're going to put it as a decimal. So I'm going to go 0.5. Okay, not bad. I'm going to change it to 0.2. I'm okay with that. You can make it even a little faster, 0.1. I'm going to put it to 0.2. And there we go. And that's how you can animate a sprite by changing the costumes of that sprite. Put it inside of a loop so that a costume is changed, every so much time, forever and ever and ever until the program stops.